Here's how to design creative letters filled with photos in Canva. Start by going to Elements and selecting Frames. Find the Letters category, click See All, and choose the letter you want to add to your page. Drag and drop your photo directly onto the letter frame to fill it. Double-click the image inside the frame to adjust its position and scale for the best composition. Next, you can add a second copy of the photo and lower its transparency. Position the semi-transparent layer to match the image inside the frame. Once aligned, return its transparency to 100%. Now, with this aligned layer selected, go to Edit and choose Magic Grab. Click on the main subject you want to isolate. Then select Grab. This separates the subject onto a new layer. You can then delete the aligned photo layer you used for matching, leaving you with a clean photo-filled letter.